This is the video for project milestone 2 for the fish store management system. I have 5 classes: fish, customer, order, inventory item, and order detail. For the fish class, we have the setter and getter methods, the insert methods, edit method, and delete. For inserting to the table, we have this query here, and it will use the parameters provided here to insert into the fish table. But it should check the fish ID first before inserting in the table. Here is the edit fish, which will update the fish object in the fish table based on the fish ID, and it will check if the fish exists before updating later. This is the delete method for deleting the fish from the table. It will delete the fish based on the fish ID. It should check if the fish exists first before deleting it. For deleting all the fishes, the logic and the code is the same, except that it doesn't have the where condition. This is the code for listing one fish based on the fish ID. It gets the result and prints the information based on the entities of the table. Listing all of them is the same thing again, except that instead of an if, there is a while to look through the result. For backing up the fishes, it will select all of the fishes from the fish table, then insert it to the fish backup, and it will check if the this ID from the fish exists in the backup or not. And if it doesn't, then it will insert it. And if it exists, it will display an error message, or it will display that the fish already exists in the backup. Restoring is basically the same thing as backup, except that we select fish from the fish backup and insert into the fish table. The logic for all of them is the same. This is the code in my main which will add all of the data, list all of them, then change the second object, then list again and backing up before deleting the third object. Then it will list again and restore all of them, and at the end it will list all of them again. Because I already had the fishes in the table, I delete all of them to be able to insert them again. So all of the fishes are successfully inserted. All of the customers are inserted as well. So is order and inventory item and the order detail. It's listing all of the data. Here it says that the objects are edited successfully. Here the fish number 2, the price is different from the value that we had before. Here the phone number is this, and the payment is changed to mobile wallet. And here the quantity is different, and here the quantity and subtotal are different, and it's backing up all of them into the backup tables. But because I already have a backup, it's displaying that they already exist in the backup table. Then the third object is deleted. Here, the third object. And it's restoring all of the data that is deleted from the table. Here the catfish is back, the customer is back, and yeah, that's all.